Okay, welcome dear students to the lecture number 20 today, coordinate geometry. We are about to finish this chapter also very soon. So you will find here question number 6. Find the distances between the following points, and they have given us points as a comma 0, 3, 0, a. So I label them as x1, y1 and point B as x2, y2. So you will find that AB is equal to, or we can say distance AB is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Square root of x2 minus x2 whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Very simple. We'll substitute the values only. Now you will get x2 as 0 minus x1 as minus a the whole square plus y2 minus y1. y2 is a minus 0 the whole square. That is equal to root of minus a square. Next you will be getting it as plus a square. From the next also group you will get a square. So a square plus a square. Next to that is root of a square plus a square is 2a square. A square plus a square is 2a square. Since square root of any number is that number itself, try to understand. Square root of any square number is here that number itself in case of variables. Of course, in the case of variables. So you will find that square root of a square is a, and square root of 2 we have to write it in symbolic form only. So distance AB is equal to root 2a. Root 2a. So this is how we will find we have got the distance between AB. Now I am going to find out the second one. Coordinates of P are minus 6, comma, minus 3. While the coordinates of Q are minus 1, comma, 9. Coordinates of P are minus 6, comma, minus 3. While coordinates of Q are minus 1, comma, 9. So here labeling these coordinates of P as x and y and coordinates of Q as x and y. So PQ is equal to, by distance formula, PQ is equal to square root of, square root of x2 minus x1. Same thing, x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Our distance formula is there, x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Now be careful here. Is equal to square root of x2. Value of x2 is minus 1. So minus 1 minus of minus 6 plus y2 minus y1 9 minus of minus 3 the whole square. That gives us the next step as minus 1 plus 6. Minus 1 plus 6 the whole square. Minus into minus is plus. Now plus 9 plus 3 the whole square. That will give us square root of Now it's very simple calculation. 6 minus 1 is 5, the whole square. 9 plus 3 is 12, whole square. So 5 square plus 12 square. So you will get it over here as square of 5 as 25. Y square of 12 is 144. So 25 plus 144. So PQ is equal to root of 169. So PQ is equal to 13. So this is how, dear students, you will find where you labeled the coordinates of first point as x to y1, coordinates of second point as x to y2, and then we find out distance PQ by distance formula x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. We substitute the values and we obtain the answer. Now let's see. In the same way, we are going to find out now distance RS. Distance RS is here. Here they have given us variables, no problem as such. Label them as x1, y1. Here I label this as x2, y2. Now distance RS. Distance RS is equal to root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. That is equal to root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. x2 is a. So a minus x1 is minus 3a. Be careful here. The whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. So minus 2a. y2 minus y1 minus a. The whole square. Next step is root of a minus into minus makes it plus. So a plus 3a will give us 4a bracket square plus minus 2a minus a, that will give us minus 3a. Whenever both terms are negative, we always add them. So here 4a the whole square minus 3a the whole square. Now next to that we will get it as (4a) bracket square will give us 16a square, and you will also find, so please see here, 4a whole square. So distance RS is equal to (4a) the whole square will give us 16a square plus minus 3a the whole square will give us 9a square. So 16a square plus 9a square will give us 25a square. 16a square plus 9a square. Now square root of 25 you all know is 5. While square root of a square is a. Therefore, distance RS is equal to 5. So this is how you will find that our question was, question number 6 is asked, find the distances between the following points. So we label them as x1, y1, x2, y2, and we got these answers for the distances between these points. Now, next question, that is question number 7. Question number 7 of problem set 5. In question number 7, find the coordinates of, this is very important question because it may carry 4 marks. You have to be very careful over here. This is not a short question at all. It's a very lengthy question. Now try to understand. Center is a center of circumcircle. So you'll find the coordinates of circumcenter of a triangle. Now I'm going to draw this triangle. The triangle which is passing through. Okay. So here you will find, supposing I'll take this vertices of a triangle as A minus 3, 1, then B 0, minus 2, and I'll take the coordinates of C as 1, 3. Be careful here. Once again you see the vertices of triangle are minus 3, 1, B 0, minus 2, and C 1, 3. We have to find out. Like question asked is, find the coordinates of circumcenter of triangle. Sometimes the same question is also modified by asking, find out the radius of the circle also. Now please try to understand. I am going to take P xy as the center of a circle, having the coordinates as x and y. So here question number 7. Find the coordinates of circumcenter. Dear students, first of all, I would like to explain you. Circumcenter is a center of a circle which is passing through the vertices of triangle. I repeat again. This is a center of this circle which is passing through ABC, and ABC are the vertices of triangle ABC. Okay, so definition of circumcenter is very clear. Now, PC is called as a radius of a circle. Likewise, AP is also radius and BP is also radius. Now, first of all, I find out distance AP. Then I find out distance BP. Then I find out distance CP. And then what to do, I will explain you later on. So let's find out. I am going to find out AP. So AP is equal to coordinates of A minus 3, 1, and coordinates of P as x, 1. So label this as x1, y1, this as x2, y2. By distance formula, I am going to find out AP by distance formula. So AP is equal to our distance formula. What is our distance formula? x2 minus x1 the whole square, x2 minus x1 the whole square, plus y2 minus y1, y2 minus y1 the whole square. Here I use distance formula only. So AP is equal to root of x2. What is x2? X. Fine. x1, be careful, minus of minus 3. You have to be careful over here, dear students. That's x minus of minus 3. Okay? Plus y2. Now what is y2? y2 is y. Minus y1. Okay, y1 is positive only, so it's very simple. So you will find that x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Okay, so AP is equal to AP is equal to root of AP is equal to root of x minus into minus makes it plus. So x plus 3 the whole square plus y minus 1 the whole square y minus 1 the whole square. So AP is equal to the next thing. AP is equal to, since you all know expansion of x plus 3 by using the formula a plus b the whole square. So a square plus 2ab plus b square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. Here a square minus 2ab plus b square. Try to understand this expansion. A square plus 2ab plus b square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay. Now AP is equal to x square, fine, plus y square, okay, plus 6x, right, minus 2y, fine. 9 plus 1 is 10. 9 plus 1 is 10. If I don't want the square root sign, I say here AP square is equal to. So simply I get x square plus y square plus 6x minus 2y plus 10. I simply square AP to get rid of this square root sign. So label it as equation 1. So this is how we obtain equation 1. AP square is equal to x square plus y square plus 6x minus 2y plus 10. Okay. Now I am going to find out. AP I got. Now I will find out CP. Okay. So coordinates of C. Coordinates of C are 1, 3. Fine. Coordinates of P x1. So x1 y1, x2 y2. x1 y1, x2 y2. So same thing. Distance CP, root of x2 minus x1 the whole square, x2 minus x1 the whole square, plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. I am doing it the same way. Now first of all, I try to find out AP, then I square it, I got AP square. Value of AP square is in front of you. Then I am going to find out CP, x2 minus x1, x minus 1, and y2 minus y1, that is y minus 3. Okay, let's see here. Value of CP. I am going to find out value of CP. So, value of CP is equal to root of, okay, x2 minus x2. But what is x2? X minus 1. X minus 1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1. But what is y2? Y minus 3. x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. That will give us expansion a minus b the whole square formula. A square minus 2ab plus b square. Likewise, a square minus 2ab plus b square. I explain this again. A square, that is x square minus 2ab plus b square. A square minus 2ab, 3y into 2 plus b square. Okay. Now, in the next, what I get now? X square plus y square. X square plus y square. Minus 2x, fine. Minus 6y plus 10. Very good. So this is C. This is length of C. But as we have done in the first case, AP square, in the same way, Now I am going to square this CP. So I'll write it as square. Square. I'll write it as square. So squaring, if I square, fine, then left hand side is CP, that will become CP square. And naturally, square root from right side we can remove. So here we will get x square plus y square. This all we have to do square only to get rid of square root. So y square minus 2x minus 6y plus 10. Fine, very good. So this is how we got equation number 2. Now I am having equation number 1, I am having equation number 2. Okay. Now, what I am going to do, I am going to equate these two. Why I am going to equate? I can equate. This means that they are the radii of the same circle, and radii of same circle are always congruent. So you will find that AP square is equal to CP square. AP square is equal to CP square. Now you will find value of AP x square plus y square plus 6x minus 2y plus 10. That is it. X square plus y square plus 6x minus 2y plus 10. Value of CP square x square plus y square minus 2x minus 6y plus 10. This is our equation number 2. Now if I simplify this, x square from both sides we can cancel, because if you transfer this on right hand side becomes minus. You all are familiar with this. Y square. Okay. So 6x 6x plus 2x minus 2y plus 6y is equal to 0. Don't surprise for 0. The reason being that 10 from both sides will get cancelled. 6x plus 2x, 8x, 6y minus 2y, that will give you plus 4y is equal to 0. I am explaining you again. 6x minus 2x to the left hand side become plus 2x. Minus 2y, which is on the left hand side only, plus 6y is equal to 0. So 8x plus 4y is equal to 0. Dividing by 4. Dividing by 4. Simply to minimize this equation. Simply to minimize, nothing else. So you will find that 4 2s are 8. 4 1s are 4. That is equal to 0. Now what we got? This is called as simultaneous equation. 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. By equating, right, CP square is equal to AP square. Now what is left out? So far we did not find out value of BP. Now let's find out value of BP here. Now coordinates of B are 0, minus 2. Okay, and coordinates of B are x1. So you will find here, I am going to call it as B as x1 y1 and B as x2 y2 by distance formula only. So BP is equal to root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. by distance formula only. We are using distance formula of the x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Now substitute the values. That is equal to root of, okay, x2. What is x2? X. Fine. Minus x1, but x1 is 0. Plus y2 minus y1. What is y2? y2 is y. y2 minus y1. Here minus 2. Be careful. Minus of minus 2 the whole square. Correct? So x minus 0 the whole square plus 1 minus of minus 2 the whole square. Now I am not going to rub this CP square at all, dear students. Now I am going to put this equation 2, will require it again. Okay, so I am going to put it into the box. Fine. Here I put it into the box. So you will find here, I am going to continue here. BP is equal to x square plus y plus 2. Okay. BP is equal to x square. I think I got 2x plus y is equal to 0 as x. Sorry. 2x plus y is equal to 0. That was my result number 1. We will require that at some time. So x square here plus. Okay, plus. So you will find here y minus of minus is plus. So y plus 2. Y plus 2 the whole square. Right? So that will give us BP is equal to x square plus square root sign only. So far I have not squared it. So I will get it as x square plus y square plus 4y plus 4. How I got it? Y square, a square, 2ab, 2y into 2, that is 4y plus 4. Fine. So BP square is equal to, if I square it, x square plus y square plus 4y plus 4. Okay. So this is my equation number. This is my equation number. Now you will find BP is also a radius and CP is also a radius. Surely I can equate them. So CP square is equal to BP square. CP square is equal to BP square. Now what is value of CP square? CP square is x square plus y square minus 2x minus 6y plus 10, that is equal to. Okay, that is equal to. What is BP square? X square plus y square plus 4y plus 4 plus. Okay, so that will give us x square cancel from both sides. Okay, then we will also find y square also cancel from both sides. Now minus 2x is there. There is no x on right hand side. Very good. So minus 2x as it is. Minus 6y. Okay. I transfer this 4y to the left hand side and I will make it as minus 4y. That is equal to minus 10 plus 4. This plus 10 on left hand side, right hand side will become minus. So minus 2x minus 10y, that is equal to minus 6. I can reduce this equation. Okay, now I have to get second simultaneous equation because my aim is to find out the coordinates of P. Now I don't know around the board whether this 2x plus y is equal to 0 was first simultaneous equation. Hope that is correct one. So let's see that minus 2x minus 10y is equal to minus 6. I'm going to continue now. So you will get here dividing by, okay, dividing by 2. So from here I get minus x minus 5y. Why? Because I am dividing each term by 2. So here minus 6, 2 5s are 10 is equal to 2 3s are 6. Sign will not change. So this is simultaneous equation number 2. Now I know first simultaneous equation 2x plus y is equal to 0. 2x plus y is equal to 0. Hope I have written it properly. Now to solve these two simultaneous equations, since you all know that first of all, if coefficients or variables appear with opposite signs, simply we have to equate their coefficients. From that point of view, you will find 2x plus y is equal to 0. Here I am having minus 5. So I have to get here plus y. Multiplying this by 5. Correct? Multiplying this by 5. Let's see. I only bother whether I remember the first simultaneous equation in correct way or not. That is 2x plus y is equal to 0. Let's see. We will get correct answer or not. Okay. So you will find here I am going to multiply the second equation by 5. So minus x minus 5y is equal to minus 3. Then you will get 5 plus 10x. Okay? Plus 5y is equal to 0. Because if you multiply the right hand side by 5, 0 into anything is 0. Of course, these two will get cancelled. 10x minus x will give us plus 9x. That is equal to minus 3 plus 0 is minus 3. So x is equal to minus 3 upon 9. X is equal to minus 1 upon 3. Because you find 3 ones are 3, 3 3s are 9. So x is equal to minus 1 upon 3. Now, if I substitute this value in equation number A, that is 2x plus y is equal to 0, substitute. In A is 2x plus y 0. 2x plus y 0. Value of x, we operate it as minus 1 upon 3. So 2 into minus 1 upon 3 plus y is equal to 0. 2 into minus 1 upon 3, which is value of x, plus y is equal to 0. So that will give you minus 2 into minus 1, that is minus 2 upon 3 plus y is equal to 0. Okay, so minus 2 upon 3 plus 1 is equal to 0. So y is equal to, if I transfer it on right hand side, I get it as plus 2 upon 3. Therefore, coordinates of circumcenter, very important, circumcenter P xy is equal to minus 1 upon 3 comma 2 upon 3. I have to check answer. Let's see whether answer is correct or not. Yes, Answer is correct because I was not knowing there is a one that is first simultaneous equation. Fortunately, I remember it. 2x plus y is equal to 0. So, what theory we used here, dear students, that CP, AP as well as PB are the radii of the same circle. And then by distance formula we got AP, we got BP, we got CP. Then we equate AP, BP, we got first simultaneous. Then we equate AP, CP, and then we got the second. Whatever it is. Only remember, you can equate these two or you can equate these two. You have to obtain two simultaneous equations. So this is how you will find coordinates of circumcenter Pxy are minus 1, 3, 2, 3. So here we finished one of the very, you can say, difficult question. Reason being that you have to be very careful, because first of all you have to find out the distances, then you have to form simultaneous equations, solving those simultaneous equations, tedious job. Surely, if in examination it comes, it will carry weightage of this will be of 4 marks. So you have to be very careful over here that you should not lose a single mark, because you will find if a simple mistake also will create a problem. Okay, now question number 8. Question number 8. Following are the vertices. First one is L, 6, okay, M, minus 5, minus 3, and N is minus 6, 8. Question is, we have to decide, okay? We have to decide whether these are the vertices of a triangle or not. Now we have studied already that sides of triangle are going to intersect with each other. That means their slopes are not same. This is very important concept to understand, that sides of triangle are not going to be a parallel to each other. So their slopes must be different. Okay, their slopes must be different. So what I am going to do now, I'll find out slope of Ln, I'll find out slope of Mn, and I'll also find out slope of Ln. So I will find out slope of all three sides, and will find if their slopes are different, not same, naturally they will form a triangle. The next step is we have to decide on the basis of lengths of sides of triangle that what type of triangle it is. If all three sides are of different length, by using distance formula, triangle will be scale. If all sides, okay, will be a same, that will be equilateral triangle or scaling triangle. Let's see now. So first of all, I am going to find out L6, 4, M minus 5, minus 3. So x1, y1, x2, y2. What we have decided to find out slope of Ln, to find out slope of Mn, as well as to find out slope of Ln. So slope of Ln is equal to slope of Ln is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x. y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x. So Ln is equal to, what is value of y2? y2 is minus 3, minus, what is value of y1? That is 4, divided by x2. x2 is minus 5. x1 is 6, minus 6. So you will get it as minus 7 upon minus 11, minus sign will get cancel. So slope of Lm, is 7 upon 8. Now I am finding out slope of m. So m, coordinates of m minus 5 comma minus 3, while the coordinates of n are minus 6 comma 8. Label them as x1 and y1, x2 y2, x1 y1, x2 y2. Now slope of m, that is equal to root of y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x. By slope formula, slope of m is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x. Now y2, what is value of y2? 8. So 8 minus value of y1, be careful here again, minus of minus 3. x2 minus x2. Value of x2 is what? Minus 6. Minus 6 minus of x1 minus 5. Fine, that is equal to 8 plus minus into minus is plus upon minus 6 plus 5. Correct? 8 minus into minus is plus minus 6 minus into minus is plus. So 11 upon minus 1. Or even you can say minus 11. What is this? Slope of m. Slope of m, that is equal to minus 11. Now we already know slope of Ln. Slope of Ln. Slope of Ln is equal to 7 upon 11. Now third side. Now we have to find out slope of third side. Third side is Ln. So third side is Ln. So let's find out slope of Ln. So coordinates of L 6 comma 4. Okay, and coordinates of n minus 6 comma 8. 6 comma 4, 6 minus 6 comma 8. Ln x1 y1, while these two are x2 y2. x1 y1, x2 y2. Now slope of Ln. Slope of Ln, that is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. That is equal to y2 minus y1. 8 minus 4. Fine. 8 minus 4. x2 minus x1. Minus 6. Correct? Minus 6. Minus 6. 8 minus 4 is plus 4 upon minus 12. 8 minus 4 is 4, minus 6 minus 6 minus 12. So that gives us minus 1 upon 3. Right? So you will find that slope of Ln, slope of Ln is equal to minus 1 upon 3. Now, slope of Ln is with you, slope of Mn is with you, slope of Ln is with you. What conclusion you can draw? Ln is minus 1 upon 3, Mn is minus 11, slope of Ln is 7 upon 11. So, you can say now, since slopes of all the three sides of triangle are not equal, therefore, naturally, they are going to intersect each other, and three intersecting sides are going to form a triangle. So first we have to verify whether these three vertices are forming triangle or not. Yes, they are going to form a triangle. So I will mention over here that part 1. Slope of Ln is not equal to the slope of Mn is not equal to the slope of Ln. Therefore, L 6, 4, M minus 5, minus 3, and N minus 6, 8 forms a triangle. That is very important. Now part 2. We have to decide, okay? We have to decide that what type of triangle it is on the basis of their lengths. So L 6, 4, and minus 5, minus 3, and M is minus 6, 8, minus 6, 8. Okay, now by using distance formula, I am going to find out length of Ln, length of Mn, and length of Ln. Okay, let's see. This sum is also a very lengthy sum, but surely this will also carry 4 marks. Lots of calculations are there. So by distance formula, Ln, L I am going to label it as x1, y1, x2, y2. Fine. So distance Ln is equal to root of x2 minus x3 the whole square plus y2 minus y. That will be root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. x2 is minus 5. So minus 5 minus value of x1 6 whole square plus y2 value of y2 is minus 3. Value of y1 4 minus 4. That is equal to root of. Correct. Now minus 5 minus 6, that is minus 11 the whole square plus minus 3 minus 4 minus 7 the whole square. That is equal to 11 square is 121 plus 49. That is equal to square of minus or plus 11 is 121. Square of minus 7 is 49. So length of Ln is equal to root 170. Very important. That we obtain the length of Ln as root 170. So now I am going to find out what I am going to find out. Mn. I will find out length of Mn. So Mn is equal to part 2 Mn. Okay, I label this as x1, y1. Label this as x2, y2. By distance formula, Mn is equal to root of x2 minus x2 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. So that is equal to root of x2 minus x1 minus 6 minus of minus 1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 8, be careful here, minus of y2 minus y1 minus 3 whole square, right? x2 minus x2 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. So that will give you, okay, so this is part 2. So I am going to proceed now. That is equal to minus 6 plus 5 plus 8 plus 3 minus 6 plus 5 minus 8 plus 3. Okay. Root of minus 6 plus 5 minus 1 whole square plus 8 plus 3 11. So you will get over here value of mn, value of mn as mn is equal to root of minus 1 square is 1 plus 121, that is equal to mn is 122. Okay, ln is equal to root of 170. Now one more is left out. What is that? ln. So L is equal to 6 comma 4. What that N is equal to minus 6 comma 8. Same way, very mechanical. x1 y1 x2 y2, labeling the coordinates of L as 6 comma 4 x1 y1, coordinates of N as x2 y2. Then you will get over here by distance formula that ln is equal to root of, same way, x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square, that is equal to root of x2 minus 6 minus x1, that is minus 6 the whole square plus, try to understand, x2 minus x1 minus 6 the whole square plus y2 8 minus 4 the whole square, that is equal to minus 6 if I add, I'll get minus 5. If I add minus 6 I'll get minus 4. 8 minus 4 is 4. So that is equal to 144 plus 16 minus 12 square 144 plus 16, that is equal to 160. This is value of what? ln. So ln is equal to root of 160. So ln is equal to root of 160. Now if you look at the length of mn, length of ln as well as length of ln, all three of them are different. Surely we can draw conclusion since ln is not equal to m is not equal to ln, therefore triangle L and N is a scaling triangle. Triangle L and N is a scaling triangle because you will find that all three sides are of different length. So let's revise it. What we did first, we had to, in first part, we had to first decide whether it is a triangle or not. For that sake, we find out slopes of all three sides. And since the slopes of all three sides are different, then we draw conclusion that those three lines are going to intersect. Therefore, they form a triangle. Then by distance formula, we find out their lengths, and we got their lengths are different. So from that, triangle must be a scale triangle. So that's all, we are students, very lengthy sums, but these all sums will carry 4 marks. Thank you. Here I end my lecture number 20.